Good morning, dear children. Today we discuss the topic is relationship between rate of interest and investment. Okay. So previous class already investment so meanings of investment function, then types of investment. So today class we discuss relationship between rate of interest and investment. Okay. So an explanation of how the interest influence the level of investment in the economy. So typically higher interest and rates reduce investment because the higher rates increase the cost of borrowing and require investment to have a higher rate of return to be profitable. Okay, so it's a very important one mark. First, write the heading relationship between rate of interest and investment. Okay, so an explanation already the rate of investment, the rate increases the cost of borrowing and require investments. Okay, so rate increases, so these are the borrowing using separate. Okay, that's all. So next one is a marginal efficiency of capital. Okay, using savings. Next one is a marginal efficiency of capital. Marginal efficiency of capital. So the marginal efficiency ki enna appadina, it was first introduced by J.M. Keynes. Okay, so it was first introduced yaru J.M. Keynes. Then in 1936, as an important determinant in autonomous investment. Okay, yeah? So it's an important determinant of autonomous investment. The MEC is the expected profitability of an additional capital asset. So it's expected additional capital asset. That it may be defined as a highest rate of return over cost expected from the additional unit of capital asset. Okay, Amma? So it's an additional unit of capital asset. Then the meaning of marginal efficiency of capital. So marginal efficiency capital oda meaning meaning. So the meaning MEC is the rate of discount which makes the discounted present value of expected income stream equal to the cost of capital. ஓகேங்களா? சோ அதாவது என்ன அப்படின்னா நம்மளுக்கு இப்போ எதிர்பார்க்கக்கூடிய இன்கமுக்கும் நம்மளுடைய மூலதனம் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, தட் மீன்ஸ் கேபிட்டல். சோ அதுக்கும் செலவுக்கும் உள்ள அந்த பெர்சன்டேஜ் பிரசன்ட் வேல்யூவை சொல்றதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம் அப்படின்னா ஈக்குவல் டு த காஸ்ட் ஆஃப் கேபிட்டல், தட் மீன்ஸ் மார்ஜினல் எஃபிஷியன்சி அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே, so the rate of discount which makes the discounted present value of expected income. Expected income stream equal to the cost of capital. Okay, that's all. So by MEC, that means marginal efficiency capital. MEC depends on two factors, ma. Depends on two factors. So first one is the prospective yield from a capital asset. Okay, prospective yield from a capital asset. Okay, then second one is the supply price of a capital asset. Supply price of a capital asset. Okay, that's all. Then the factors affecting MEC. Enna factors affecting the three factors that are taken into consideration while making any investment decisions, ma. So first, the cost of capital asset. Okay, the cost of capital asset. Then the expected rate of return. Expected rate of return from during its lifetime. During its lifetime. Okay, third one, the market rate of interest. The market rate of interest. Okay, there are three factors, ma. Three factors. So the marginal efficiency of capital is influenced by short run as well as long run factors. Okay, ma. So influenced by short run as well as long run factors. Long run factors. Then these factors are discussed with the short run factors. First, the brief of short run factors. So first one is demand for the product. Product order demand. Demand for the product. So if the market for a particular goods is expected to grow and its costs are likely to fall. Okay, ma? So அப்ப நமக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும் டிமாண்ட் எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படினா ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட ஒரு பர்టిక్యులர் குட்ஸோட மார்க்கெட் விலை வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும் ரேட் வந்து இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும்போது நம்ம எதிர்பார்க்கக்கூடிய அந்த செலவு வந்து குறைஞ்சிருக்கும். சோ தட் இஸ் இன்கம்ல இருந்து நம்ம எதிர்பார்க்கக்கூடிய அந்த இன்கம் வந்து கேபிட்டல்ல இருந்து நம்மளோட எதிர்பார்க்கக்கூடிய இன்கம் எப்படி இருக்கும் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும். சோ அப்ப என்டர்பிரனர்ஸ்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க நம்மளோட குட்ஸான தேவை வந்து குறையும் போது நம்மளோட செலவு கூடும். இதனால என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா நம்மளோட இன்கம் தட் மீன்ஸ் நம்மளுடைய காஸ்ட் இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் வில் டிக்ளைன் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. ஓகே, so a particular good is expected grow. Particular good is expected to grow and its costs are likely to fall. The rate of return from investment will be high. Okay, so the entrepreneurs expect to fall in demand for goods and rise in cost. So fall in demand in goods and rise in cost. Okay. So investment will decline. Investment will decline. Then second one is a liquid assets. Liquid assets. So if the entrepreneurs are holding large volume of working capital. Okay. So large volume of working capital. So they can take advantage of the investment opportunities that come in their way. So the MEC will be high. MEC higher. MEC is high. Next, third one is a sudden changes in income. Sudden changes in income. So in any sudden changes in the MEC is also influenced by sudden changes in income of entrepreneurs. Okay, Amma? So MEC la sudden changes irukum. So MEC is also influenced by sudden changes in income of the entrepreneurs. If the business community gets windfall profits or tax concession, the MEC will be high and hence investment in the country will go up. So MEC will be high and hence investment in country will go up. On the other hand, so MEC falls with the decrease in income. MEC falls with the decrease in income. Okay. Then fourth one is current rate of investment. So current rate of investment. So another factor which influence the MEC is the current rate of investment in a particular industry. So particular industry la current rate of investment irukuma. So particular rate of investment in a particular industry. In a particular industry. Okay. If in a particular industry much investment has already taken place and the rate of investment already taken place and the rate of investment that's all. So currently going on that industry is also very large, then the marginal deficiency of capital will be low. So marginal efficiency of capital will be low. Okay, that's all. Next, waves of optimism and pessimism. Next heading is waves of optimism and pessimism. The marginal efficiency of capital is also affected by the waves of optimism and pessimism. ரெண்டையுமே affect பண்ணும். ஓகேமா? So affected by waves of optimism and pessimism. Okay. Then if a businessman or optimist about future, businessman or optimist about future, the MEC will be likely to be high. The MEC will be likely to be high. During periods of pessimism, the MEC is underestimated and so will be low. So MEC is underestimated and so will be low. Okay, that's all. The next one is a long run factors. So இதுவரை நம்ம பார்த்தது என்ன அப்படின்னா short run factors பார்த்தோமா. So next one is a long run factors. Long run factors. So first there are 5 long run factors. First factor is a rate of growth of population. Rate of growth of population. Rate of growth of population. So the marginal efficiency of capital is also influenced by the rate of growth of population. So first, if a population is growing at a rapid speed, population எப்படி இருக்கும் rapid speed ல இருக்கும். Okay, so rapid speed, it is usually believed that the demand of various types goods will increase. So various types goods will increase. Okay, so the rapid rise in the growth of population will increase the marginal efficiency. So increase the marginal efficiency. Increase the marginal efficiency of capital and rate of growth will discourage investment. Rate of growth எப்படி இருக்கும்? Growth discourage investment. Okay, and reduce the marginal efficiency of capital. Then reduce the marginal efficiency capital. Okay, that's all. Then second one is a technological progress. Technological progress. So if investment and technological development take place in the industry, the prospects of increase in the net yield brightens up. Okay, so the prospects of increase in the net yield brightens up. Okay, for example, the development of automobiles in the 20th century has greatly stimulated the rubber industry. So the steel and oil industry, etc. So we can say the inventions and the technological improvements encourage the inventions in various projects and increase the marginal efficiency of capital. Okay, then third one is monetary and fiscal policies. monetary and fiscal policies. So money policy and and a liberal tax policy pave the way of greater profit margin, and so MEC is likely to be high. So நம்மளுக்கு வந்து என்ன ஆகும், நம்மளுக்கு liberal tax policy and pave way a greater profit ஆ இருக்கும். Okay, liberal tax policy and pave way for greater profit margin. And MEC likely to be high. MEC எப்படி இருக்கும், likely to be higher. That's all. Then fourth one is a political environment. Political environment. So the political stability, smooth administration and maintenance of law and order help to improve efficiency. Okay, political வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும், நமக்கு stability ஆகும். Okay, stability, smooth administration and maintenance of law and order. Okay, then fifth one is resource availability. Resource availability na enna appadina, cheap and abundant supply of natural resources. Cheap and abundant supply of natural resources. So efficient labor and stock of capital enhance the MEC. So efficient labor and stock of capital enhance the MEC. Okay, that's all. So next class we see the marginal efficiency of investment. Okay, ma? Next class we will see the marginal efficiency of investment. Okay, thank you students. Thank you so much.